We don't want any child to be left behind, and we don't want also any parent to be left behind.
What we're trying to do is just offer parents an opportunity to learn and grow themselves while their children were learning and growing.
So some families will choose to homeschool their children, but when you homeschool your children, you still have to follow a curriculum so that they're still meeting the same standards as if they were going to school.
It's about what schooling in America is all about and how new American parents can support their children's education in ways that they might not previously have been familiar with. Here's what a parent-teacher conference looks like here, or here's how to read a report card.
I don't like to go to parent conference, but when we finish this course and how we are going to help children, everything like that, I say now I'm going to go to hear the teachers about that, how my children progress, how she's working at school, what she's eating, everything I'm going to follow now.
Some parent doesn't know which class their kids are because they have a different language. Always they are using the interpreter, and sometimes they are asking where I can go, and I doesn't know who is their teacher. And sometimes they might be go to drop their kids, they just go and okay, go bye-bye. And they are really unable to talk to the teacher. So the parent university give them two way how they can talk to the teacher.
You know, we are a community, and Parent University is more only about education, but it's also a platform where parents can interact, can get to know each other's cultures, and they to feel powerful, and they don't need to feel isolated. So it's always great to come to a class at Parent University and see Nepali and Africans, interact. It's always beautiful.
The people who are come from other country have a different culture and a different language. This is my second language. Not only me, the peoples from other country, all immigrant has a different language.
So I really noticed people feeling more comfortable using English as a common language, people who previously were not, feeling more comfortable participating in a discussion that wasn't necessarily always moderated or controlled by the teacher, and people expressing their opinions very passionately about all kinds of things having to do with parenting.
And sometimes when something, like they burn their hand or something, they can go to school and then...
Yeah, I met a lot of people, and we have different culture. Everybody stand up and show the country what they practice, what the religion, what they done, the clothes, everything, and that is great.
The folks who come to Parent University aren't by any means like blank slates or people with no knowledge. They're incredible people who are here because they've already had phenomenal life stories, and they have a lot to tell us and a lot to give and a very rich and full background.
Since I didn't know anything how to Google my country, they show us where are you from. We can go in Google and show people.
21st century education is not only about the classroom and the teacher. Traditional education we move that now, and learning happens every single day, everywhere. When we talk about education, it's not only the children and the classroom, but it's also both the children, the family, the community, when everybody come together.
If you know them, they can say, hi, how are you doing, what's going on? And now they feel like so comfortable, and we are comfortable to talk to. Before that, we doesn't know.
That title, I think, is really indicative of the spirit. It's for and about parents and family members, because if the parents feel more comfortable coming to the school or picking up the phone and making a phone call or asking a question at a report card conference, then their kids are going to benefit.